Okay, so I found something wild this week, and I literally could not wait to talk about it.
Welcome to Locally Hosted. We cover AI, machine learning, developer tools, and tech infrastructure.
Today, we're looking at an agent that literally grows with you. It's called Hermes Agent.
And it's not just another chatbot wrapper. It has a built-in learning loop that actually creates skills from experience.
Wait, it creates skills? Like automatically? That sounds insane for a local agent.
Exactly. Built by NousResearch, it's the only agent I've seen with a closed learning loop. It nudges itself to persist knowledge.
So it remembers things without you asking? That's the holy grail of AI assistants.
Right. It uses Honcho dialectic user modeling to build a deepening model of who you are across sessions.
Okay, but how does it actually work under the hood? Is it just storing text?
No, it's smarter. It has autonomous skill creation after complex tasks, and those skills self-improve during use.
Self-improving skills? That sounds like sci-fi. What's the tech behind that?
It uses FTS5 session search with LLM summarization for cross-session recall, so it can dig up old context.
FTS5? Full text search? That's efficient. Does it run on your laptop?
It's flexible. You can run it on a $5 VPS, a GPU cluster, or serverless infrastructure that costs nearly nothing when idle.
$5 a month? That's cheaper than my coffee. And it's not tied to your laptop?
Correct. You can talk to it from Telegram while it works on a cloud VM. It lives where you do.
Telegram, Discord, Slack, it's everywhere? That's a massive integration list.
Yes, Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and CLI, all from a single gateway process.
Single gateway? So one backend for all those platforms? That's elegant architecture.
It also handles voice memo transcription and cross-platform conversation continuity. You switch apps, the context stays.
Voice memos. Okay, now it's really getting useful. What about the models? Is it locked in?
Not at all. You can use any model. Nous Portal, Open Router with 200+ models, Novita AI, NVIDIA NIM, Xiaomi MIMO, Z.ai.glm, Kimi, Minimax, Hugging Face, OpenAI, or your own endpoint.
200+ models on Open Router alone? That's a lot of choice. How do you switch?
Just use the Hermes model command. No code changes, no lock-in. You switch models instantly.
No code changes? That's huge for developers who hate refactoring for every new model.
It's designed for that. Plus, it's compatible with the agentskills.io open standard. That's important for interoperability.
Agentskills.io standard? So other tools can use its skills? That expands the ecosystem a lot.
Exactly. It's not a walled garden. And it has a real terminal interface. Full TUI with multi-line editing.
A real TUI? Like a proper terminal? That's rare for AI agents these days.
Yes. /command autocomplete, conversation history, interrupt and redirect, and streaming tool output.
Interrupt and redirect? So you can change course mid-task? That's a power user feature.
It also has scheduled automations. Built-in cron scheduler with delivery to any platform.
Cron jobs. So you can schedule reports or backups directly in the chat?
Daily reports, nightly backups, weekly audits, all in natural language. You just ask, it schedules.
Natural language scheduling? That removes so much friction from workflow automation.
And it's MIT licensed, so you can fork it, modify it, run it however you want. No restrictions.
MIT license is the gold standard for open source. This feels like a serious tool, not a toy.
It is. It's built by NousResearch, who have a strong track record in open source LLMs.
I'm impressed by the self-improving part. Most agents forget everything between chats.
That's the key differentiator. The learning loop makes it accumulate value over time. It gets better the more you use it.
So it's like a digital twin that learns your habits? That's powerful, but also private.
Exactly. Since it's local first and open, you control the data. No cloud spying on your memories.
Privacy is a huge concern with AI agents. This addresses that head-on.
And the cost structure is low. $5 VPS or serverless. It's accessible for anyone.
Accessible and powerful. That's a rare combo. What's the main takeaway here?
The takeaway is that self-improving, local-first agents are finally viable. Hermes Agent proves it.
It's not just hype. The tech is there. I'm gonna check it out.
Do. The docs are at Hermes-Indagit to reader ho. Nothing, mower spurn, grupiler, date.ret, family spare, rainy met, wild, I bet set, abadat, dobi.
This intel brief not Robert Alley on mid-Rigerlin. Kmek Imi Camp Rides those into.